Hey, hi guys, welcome to PCF. In this video, we are going to learn about the MIN, MINA, MINX. So in our previous videos, we learn about the count, count A, count X, count AX, count blanks, and also I have explained about the average, average A, average X as well. So if you haven't watched that video, so I strongly recommend to watch that video, guys. So in this video, now we are going to focus on min. Min means it will find the minimum value, okay, smallest value in the column. Okay, so if you take any column, what is the smallest value? Like if you take the sales column or profit column or any column, so from that it will find the smallest value. And also it will not support for the text and boolean data type. So min will not support for the text and boolean data type. Okay, for a number and data type, it will find the smallest. Okay, let's see. It is finding the smallest value in the number and date, and then whether it is supporting to the text and boolean data types or not. Okay, let's go here and go to the page. Okay, so I'm taking some sample data, guys. I'm taking some sample data. Let me just. This is the sample data I have taken, like ID, name, and amount, online order, and then sales data. So this is the thing I have taken. But so for this data type, okay, text data type and boolean data type, it will not support, but amount and this one sales date it will support. Okay, so let's go and then write. Okay, so write a measure, that new measure, and min equal minimum on the number. So what is the number here in the average amount? So amount is a column which is having a number. Okay, and then press enter. So let's select that. So what is the minimum value it will give? And then select the table. And if you are not able to see, let's little bit zoom out. Okay, so 1000 is the minimum value in the amount column. Let's go and then see 1000 is the minimum value or not. See, so if you see here, what is the minimum value? 1000 is a minimum value in this column. So that is the reason it is giving a minimum value. And then the same way, even you can also go with the date. So let's go with the date. Write a new measure. Min date equal to minimum. And then you can give the average date. So and then close it, close it. So what is the minimum date in that? Let's see that. So 2nd February is a minimum date. If you see here, there is a February 5th, sorry, February 5th is a minimum date. See, 2nd, 5th, 2024 is a minimum date in these dates. See, February 5th, February 6th, February 7th, February 9th. So, but it is showing February 5th is a minimum date. And if you write for the text, okay, if you write for the text for minimum value, minimum on text data type. So what it will not give anything, like, so if you go with the minimum open bracket, like any name. Okay, so if you write on a name and then it will give nothing. So already minimum text is already there. So we'll go with the text one. Okay, so the name is already existed. So that is the reason it's giving an error. Okay, so let's see, it will not give anything. So if you select this minimum text, it will not support. So it is giving alphabetical wise. So which is the so alphabetically. So what it is doing alphabetically, which one will come first, and then that is giving. Okay. Yeah, sorry, I forgot. I forgot to tell you this was. Okay, so but it will not support only for the Boolean data type. Let's see if you go here, and then write for the minimum min Boolean, okay, equal to minimum, and then average to or false sales order. Okay, so let's go and then select. So this time it will not support. So for this where, okay, see it is giving an error. So to overcome this, okay, to get the results from even online order. Online order, what is the data type? So online order, it is giving true or false. To count this, so we'll use the MINA. So what MINA will do, like internally, true it will convert 1 and then false it will convert 0. True it will convert 1 and then false it will convert 0. So what is the minimum value in zeros and ones? 0, obviously 0, right? So when you use instead of minimum, okay, Boolean data type, so we'll go with the MINA. So MINA, it will give the 0 is the answer for a Boolean data type. Okay, 0 is the answer for Boolean data type. So we have one more function that is called a MINX. MINX also same like a min only if you don't apply the filter. Again, so applying the filter, suppose you want to filter online order and you want to filter online order and then do the sum of sales amount. I want to do the, so like minimum sales amount. I want to find the minimum sales amount. Okay. I want to find the, so I want to filter only online order true and then find the minimum value. So then you can go and then simple way. Otherwise, if you don't apply any filter, it will be same like a minimum only. Okay. MINX, min x, open bracket. See, if you see the syntax, guys, table comma expression. So you can go and then give a filter, like we are using the filter function. So filter function will have the parameters like table comma filter expression. So here the table is average and expression is online order equal to true, and then so close bracket, and then you can find out the minimum amount, right? Average amount. And then close. Center is applying the filter and then getting the minimum value. See, 1000 is the minimum value. So that way it is applying the filter and then getting for this. So these are the variances actually. MINA will support all kind of data types. Min will support only the number, date, and then text data type. And then it will not support for the Boolean data type. MINX will filter the data and then apply the. But if you don't apply any filter, it will same like a min only. It will same like a, suppose if you apply MINX on number, okay, MINX on number equal to MINX. So table name suppose average, and then if you give the amount, okay, amount. So what is the minimum value? So 1000 is the minimum value in the amount column. See, same results will get when you go with the MINX without applying the filters. See, without applying the filter, we get the same results. Okay, so MINX, the specialty of the MINX is like it is always filter the data and then find out the minimum value. Okay. So, and minimum also will compare the two things actually, two scalars. Like suppose if you have a min, okay, equal to, suppose minimum. So two numbers are there. Like see here scalar 1 and then scalar 2. So scalar 1 you have given 5000. So that may be sales amount. Okay. And you have profit, just profit we have again 7000. Just imagine that. Okay. So it's not like that, but so which one is a minimum here? 5000 is a minimum. So obviously we'll get the 5000. So minimum comparison, you can get the, so let's go with the different card. See 5000. So to comparison also, like if you have a two values like sales amount and profit, and then if any other two columns you have, so if you want to compare that, you can go with the for the comparison purpose. In that comparison, like which one is the minimum value, so you can also give the two values and then you can compare. Okay, that way also you can compare, and then So this is all about the min function, guys. So I hope I've covered all the like aggregation functions. I have covered all aggregation functions, and next we'll go with the um, logical functions case. Okay, we'll from tomorrow onwards we'll learn some logical functions. Thank you so much. We'll connect in the next video. So if you like the video, please like and then share and subscribe to my channel, guys, if you haven't subscribed. Thank you.